Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Now it's finally there. There it's in. There it is, mounted and ready. I had to switch out the block. And yeah, that's a lot bigger than needed, but it gave me a lot more control. So, I could raise it a millimeter, wiggle the exhaust manifold a little bit, raise it a couple of millimeters and wiggle it and so forth. And it's connected to the exhaust hose, and maybe you can see it down in there. There's a piece of stainless steel pipe. It's actually a bend because it was hose all the way, and as you can see there is a bit of chafe, so now it's a stainless pipe. I don't care if that's gonna chafe on the surface because it will withstand that. Yeah, and around the pipe I'm gonna fill up with some 2-component polyurethane foam. I think it's called polyurethane anyway. It's that water resistant stuff. Just to seal it and to the engine bay, so you don't get that engine bay smell here in the aft cabin. And I haven't done that yet because I haven't started up the engine since I did that, so yeah, it's cold outside still, so they haven't turned on the water. As soon as they turned on the water, I will start the engine up and check for leaks. And after that, hopefully there are no leaks. Then I'm gonna foam that up. I've started to glass some through holes. 3 are done, 4 I think is left. And yeah, I found a real scary one. You see this hose? This hose? It's actually going down to a through hole and it's open all the way. Not even connected to anything. That's why I don't like through holes under the waterline. So yeah, everything is going except the water intake for the engine coolant. All other through holes gonna be above waterline. So even if hose breaks or anything, it's not a total disaster. See you when we start up this thing. And if you already haven't, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up if there are something you don't like or something you want to know more about. Leave a comment below, and as usual there are a couple of support links down below in the video description. There is a PayPal account, a Patreon account and an Amazon wishlist. So thank you for today, see you next time.